You know what's risky? Relying on just one paycheck, one job, one source of income. That's why I've always got a million things going on. And you know what's smart? Building something on the side, a hustle that could change your financial future. In 2025, making extra money isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. And with the right hustle, you could be on your way to financial freedom. We're talking beaches, Lambos, maybe even your own chocolate factory. All right, maybe not the chocolate factory, but seriously, these side hustles could make you some serious dough. Stay till the end because the last one could make you thousands with barely any effort. And trust me, some of these side hustles will shock you. Let's dive in. All right, first up we've got AI. I know what you're thinking. AI is going to take my job. But listen, AI isn't taking your job, it's giving you one. Think about it. With tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney exploding right now, businesses everywhere need people who can actually use them. I'm talking about people who can talk to AI, give it the right prompts, and then take what it spits out and make it actually useful. Imagine getting paid to be an AI whisperer while everyone else is out there freaking out. You'd be the expert, the one everyone goes to for help. That's power, my friends. Next up is something I know a lot about, YouTube. But here's the twist, you don't even have to show your face. That's right, faceless YouTube channels are blowing up. These channels are using stock videos, AI-generated voices, and even outsourced scripts to rake in six figures. Think about it, you come up with a cool niche, something people want to watch, then boom, you automate the whole process. Let the robots do the work while you count the cash. Let's talk passive income, people. Selling digital products is like having your own money printing machine but without all the messy ink and paper. I'm talking about things like templates, planners, ebooks, stuff people can download instantly. You make it once and it can sell forever. It's like magic, but with less glitter and more dollar bills. Chapter 4. Print on demand. Ever wanted to design your own merch? Well, now you can, and you don't even need a warehouse full of t-shirts. Print on demand is where it's at. T-shirts, mugs, phone cases, you name it. You can design it and sell it without ever touching a single item. Companies like Printify handle everything. The printing, the shipping, the whole 9 yards. You just upload your awesome design and collect the cash. No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit. Chapter 5. Local Business Automation. Okay, get this. Most local businesses are stuck in the past. They're running their businesses like it's 1999, and that's where you come in, my friend. You're going to be the automation hero. Help them out with software, things like appointment schedulers, chatbots, or even just help them manage their social media. They'll pay you every single month for something you set up once. Talk about easy money. Chapter 6. Online coaching or consulting. You know what's valuable? Knowledge. And you've got a head full of it, right? Whether it's fitness, finance, marketing, whatever you're good at, people will pay for your expertise. You could sell courses, offer one-on-one coaching, even run a paid community, share your brainpower, and watch the money roll in. Chapter 7. High-ticket flipping. Forget flipping burgers, we're talking about flipping high-ticket items. People are making bank-flipping high-end watches, rare collectibles, even websites. It's like treasure hunting. But instead of digging for gold, you're searching for deals. Learn what's valuable, buy it low, then sell it high. Simple but crazy effective. Chapter 8. You know all that stuff you've got lying around your house? Yeah, the camera you never use, the power drill that's gathering dust, even that spare room. Guess what? People will pay you to use it. Platforms like Fat Llama let you make money from things that are just sitting there collecting dust bunnies. It's like turning your clutter into cash. Chapter 9. People are tired of social media, all the noise, the ads, it's overwhelming. They want real, valuable information, and they're willing to pay for it. Start a paid newsletter on a platform like Substack or Beehive, and give the people what they want. Build a loyal audience, create awesome content, and then hit them with that premium subscription. They get exclusive access, and you get paid for your brilliance. Chapter 10. And now for the grand finale, the side hustle that could make you thousands while you sleep. I'm talking about automated affiliate websites. Imagine this, a website that's out there working for you 24/7, bringing in the big bucks. Here's how it works. You build a website around a specific niche, drive traffic to it using SEO magic, and then boom, People buy products through your affiliate links, and you collect a commission. Passive income at its finest. So there you have it, 10 awesome side hustles that could make 2025 your richest year yet. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments, I read them all. And hey, if you're hungry for more money-making strategies, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.